Hello and welcome to Tuner Tips with Todderbert. In front of us we have a new product from C.Crane, the CC Buds Solo. It's a single earphone optimized for voice. You can buy this product for $15.99 from ccrane.com. Here's the box. What a great idea. I've been looking for a single earphone for quite a while because I get tired of just pulling one out of my right ear and just listening to the left and having it dangle there. I figured, if they had a more dedicated setup, it'd be a better deal. And I'm glad they came out with this. I use my scanner quite a bit, and I use my Skywave, my little Skywave radio here, all the time when I walk outside. And I like to know what's going on around me. And especially when it's windy, I like to have headphones in. So with the single earpiece, you're able to listen to what's going on around you, and you're able to know if there's anybody coming up behind you, from the side of you. It's very handy and very good to have. So let's go ahead and go over this product. C.Crane, frequency response, 20 to 20,000 hertz, sensitivity. We got impedance, cable length, 4 foot. On the back here, they go over to different things. Foam cushions give you enhanced bass and noise isolation, and the silicone cushions give you added clarity for audiobooks and voice. 47-inch long Kevlar reinforced cord, gold-plated stereo 3.5 plug, stereo to mono mixing circuitry. Okay, that's good to know. I believe that's everything there. There we go. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in the box. And I'll talk to you about my experience with this earpiece. Okay, and I think that's everything there. All right. A few things in here, which is nice. Set this aside. A few things we get in the box. We get a little carrying bag to put the little extra earpieces and the headphone, or earphone, excuse me. There you are. Really nice. C.Crane on the side there. Cool. We get the little manual. C.Crane CC Buds Solo. I call it Bud Solo. Thank you for your purchase. Register it. You get a 1-year warranty, which is great. We talk about handling, how to add and remove the tips. Pretty simple. It's hard to hurt them. Here we have a frequency response chart, looks like. You can go ahead and look at that. Pause. Anything that helps you. All right. Okay. Go through this real quick, and then we'll talk about the earpiece. So they give more information I just talked about. The driver unit's 10 millimeter, cable length's 4 foot, warranty 1 year. There you go. There's a 1-year warranty. So there you go. All right. So new product for 2019. So here we go. It comes packaged with a little clear plastic piece over the front. So I'm going to go ahead and tape this and show you what we get. So here is the earpiece. We'll pull that out. Okay, and then we get these 7 different tips here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and take these out and show them to you on camera because each one's a little different. There's little silicone ones and little foam ones here. I've used different ones. I've found that I like the foam ones the best for my purposes. All right, so that's everything out of there. So let's go ahead and just clean that up. There we go. C.Crane here is just zoom this down. Yeah, pretty basic setup. It says it's reinforced, I'm guessing at the top here. And then we have the Kevlar cord. What I really like about this is it comes with a clip to clip to your shirt or your jacket as you're walking. And let me see if I can undo this on camera. Always fun. We'll unravel this cord. Now it's got a straight plug. I kind of wish it had a 90-degree angle, and I need an adapter, but it does have a straight plug. Works good for scanners because most scanners have room for the straight plug. But for radios, it'd be nice to have a right angle plug. But there you go. There's the plug. Very simple, gold-plated. It's actually got little grips there to yank it out of the radio. Look at that. Nice. I like that. And of course, 4-foot cable going to the earpiece itself. There you go, very similar to the Pros, I believe. You just pull these off. There, that gives the inside. See how these are set up. You can grab like whatever one fits, like here's the silicone one. And you just press that on there. And you're good to go. So depending on the ear fit and what you need for sound clarity, you're going to use the different tips. So those are those. We'll go ahead and move those off to the side. And yeah, so what I like to do is I like to use this with my unit in here. Just plug it in and off we go. Get a headphone jack right on top here. And it works very well, especially when you listen to aircraft. which is just adding aircraft bands here. So if they come in, it sounds really good. I can't really demo that sound to you, but it's really good for voice. It's probably its best feature is that the sound response sounds really good with air traffic, low voice. When you're trying to pick up something, some detail on a voice transmission, you're going to like having this a lot. It's really helpful. And you can hear what's going on, of course, around you while you're listening to your scanner. So I'll find this being probably the best pairing is this with a scanner, because mainly this is great for voice. Music, a lot of the reviewers I've read about said the music's not so good, but I don't mind it with music. It's just not like huge bass thumping music. It's got a little bit of low end, just enough for me. So I'm happy with music response with it. I listen to mainly classical and, nothing too bass heavy, and it's perfect for me. So there's that. And of course, you saw that I use it with my Skywave. This is great, especially listening to shortwave while people are walking around. I'm going to unplug this. And I'll just plug it in over here. It'll work in your stereo jack, of course, and just go to the left channel. And yeah, I'll be listening to my shortwave, and I'll have this in my ear, and then if there's a cool program going on, I can turn it down or up a little bit, and then if somebody is walking by and I want to have a conversation with them, I still can, and still listen to what's going on with the radio. So it's kind of a neat idea. I love it. So there we go. Pretty simple setup. And yeah, the quality of the audio is great. But if you own the CC the buds, the dual ones, you'll know they're pretty similar in quality. It's just they reinforced it and made it a single earphone. And of course, there's your shirt clip right there. It's got me. It's got me. Alrighty. So that's the CC Buds Solo. Very simple. You get all this fun stuff. You're ready to rock. Like I said, the shirt clip's a really smart idea. And of course, you get your little bag to hold it here. Everything you need for your single earpiece. It's really cool for what you get for the money. All right, so there it is. Just a quick look at the CC Buds Solo. If you have any questions on this, just comment below. Tell me what you think. Is this something you would pick up? I think there's still a place for a single earpiece in today's market. Like I said, especially when you have, a scanner you want to take with you on the walk or, on the road, you're able to do your single earpiece. I don't know if they recommend this with driving, but they say it's good when you're cycling or walking. So you can do the single earpiece and still hear what's going on around you. So there you are, the CC Buds Solo. Kind of a basic presentation and gives you a little information about the product. Like I say, any more questions, just feel free to comment below and let me know. All right, guys, take care, and we'll see you in the next episode.